The St. James Police are appealing for help from residents in locating persons of interest. The men at large are reportedly responsible for crimes being committed in the parish. We have more in this report.
The St. James Police say in most cases, persons listed as wanted are usually connected to incidents of serious crimes in the parish. And these crimes are gang-related.
Well, we have Earl Matombo in the Spring Gardens area. He's one of the persons that we have some keen interest in. We have Fred. He is of the Salt Spring space, a part of the G-City gang. And we have some other persons on the wanted list that we have sent out that we are very interested in these persons.
Superintendent Samuel says the police have been able to curb incidents of serious crimes, but there are concerns.
I'm most concerned with the town centre and also in the Spring Gardens area and Anchovy. Those are the three areas that I'm really interested in now, and I will be looking at the operational activities targeting the wanted persons and the person of interest within those spaces.
Turning to lottery scamming, Superintendent Samuel says while the main players have left the parish, the problem still exists.
What we find out is that the lottery scammers have graduated to purchasing weapons. They've even driven up the prices of the illegal weapons that we recognize. So they buy these rifles, these firearms, and they give it to the gangs who in turn protect them. So what we find is that based on their activities, we see an increase in gang activities, and that is where we are most concerned about.
He says there is information that teens are actively trying to recruit their schoolmates to the legal practice. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.